Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.
Most of us living in the state of Kentucky have at least heard of the term no fault, considering Kentucky is a no-fault state. But Cindy, what exactly does no fault mean?
No fault is a type of car insurance, and it's designed to pay the first $10,000 of out-of-pocket medical expenses, lost wages, prescriptions, the first $10,000 of damages after a car accident. They call it no fault because it doesn't matter whose fault an accident is. People will often say, why is my insurance paying? I didn't cause this wreck. But you would usually look first to the car you're in when a wreck happens to get those first benefits.
So this is the money that just comes into play to help you out while you're waiting for your bigger insurance claim to actually settle.
That's exactly right. I mean, people may have a lot more damages than $10,000, and that will all be part of your claim in the end. We'll talk about all your medical bills, all your wage loss, whether you have permanent limitations, your pain and suffering, any future bills you'll have. We'll tell that whole story to our adjuster or jury. But in the meantime, in the time it's going to take to get all that together, this is $10,000 that can help you along.
And so what if you do have more than $10,000 worth of medical bills? I mean, that's not uncommon.
No, it's not. Diagnostic studies are so expensive, it can go really quickly. That's why one of the first things I do as a lawyer in an auto accident case is sit down and try to figure out how can we best utilize this $10,000. Because guess what? If you don't tell your no-fault provider anything different, they're just going to pay medical bills in the order they get them. You can have one $10,000 medical bill, just take all your no-fault coverage. And what if you're off work? So the best thing we can do is sit down and make a plan. Where do we need this money the most? Who will wait to be paid? Who will take health insurance? How much do we need for wages? And we tell the insurance company, look, this is how we want you to pay out this person's money.
All right, so it sounds like you've got a great plan of action there. We do appreciate your time today, and we look forward to seeing you again for Legally Speaking.